Hello, boys and girls. We are going to do a drawing today. We're going to start with crayon and we're going to end with watercolor. Okay, so the crayons that I'm going to be using, the colors that I'm going to be using are going to be brown for my mountain, green for my trees, and orange for my fire because we're going to do a campground themed drawing today. Since our school has gone with campers theme, that's what we're going to start with. And our tent is also going to be green. Okay, so we're going to start with our tent, and we're going to start towards the bottom of our page right here. And we're going to start with 3 little lines. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, it kind of looks like a triangle, and then with a line down the middle, you're going to go to the side right there, and then give yourself another little line, a little swoop for the bottom of our tent. Okay, the tent is going to be like this. We're going to do that, and that's going to be our tent. Okay, guys, we're going to color that in real quick so that we make sure that we understand that this is going to be our tent. Okay, and I'm not going to color that part right there. I'm going to leave it wide open because tents have a little open space. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line, and I'm going to use my brown for making that line. If you have another color to use, that's fine. It's just going to be for the ground. Okay, so I'm going to do my brown all the way down to the end of the page. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I'm going to do my brown all the way to the other end of the page, just like that. Okay. Okay, we're going to keep going. Now we're going to do our mountain. We're going to use our same brown color, and we're going to go up. We're going to make a triangle shape with our mountain. Okay, and we're going to go down. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to do our rocks. So most of the time, we're going to be putting our rocks black. Okay, so we're going to do 3 little circles. Okay, for our rocks. Then we're going to get our orange. If you have a bright orange, that's fine. If you have a yellow even, that would be great. We're going to do a letter U, and then we're going to do a W so it looks like fire. Okay, guys? Very nice. Okay, simple, easy. Okay, from here, we're going to get our white, and we're going to do some very easy letter S's. These letter S's are going to make it so that our watercolor doesn't go through. Okay. Okay, very simple letter S's. And that's going to be the smoke coming from the fire. Okay. We're going to go back to our brown. We're going to add some details to our mountains. So we're going to do a line across like this. Then we're going to do some lines down like this. Just lines down. And make sure your crayon is dark enough. See how I'm darkening the colors that didn't go dark enough there? Okay. That's going to be my mountain. Those are the details on my mountain. Okay. Some over here. And some at the very top. Okay. The next part that I'm going to do are the trees. We're going to add in a few trees. So follow along with me for the trees. We're going to make very simple trees. These are not hard trees to do. We're going to do a line down so we can spend some time water color painting. So 1, 2, 3 with our trees. 1, 2, 3 with our trees. 1, and then 3 little curves out there. Very simple trees. We're not going to give too much detail to our trees because we want to do 2 parts to this artwork. Okay, 2, 3 there. Okay, simple but effective. Okay, I like it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Very nice. Super simple. We're going to grab our yellow. Okay, boys and girls, our yellow is super important because our moon is super yellow in this painting, in this drawing painting. Okay, we're going to do our yellow right here. Make sure that you color in your moon completely. We don't want any of our paint going behind our moon or in the middle of our moon. We need our moon colored in completely. Okay, and then I'm going to give myself little circles for stars. Okay, give myself a bunch of little stars here. If you remember any constellations from last year, you could add them in. But for now, I'm just going to add in some stars. Okay. Very simple stars. Very shiny stars. Yellow stars. And that is our drawing. You know what? We could add a little bit more detail with the brown at the bottom. Okay. I'm going to give our floor a little bit of color there. A little bit of color. Okay. Okay. And you know what? Maybe this is a campsite by a lake. Okay. Maybe this is a campsite by a lake. So let's add some blue lines here. Maybe we could add some blue at the bottom. Okay. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, some little wavy lines in the middle at the bottom. Okay. Nice campsite by the lake. Very nice. And that is our very simple drawing, boys and girls. We're going to add watercolor in just a moment.